Hello students, today we are going to discuss new chapter, that is chapter number 11. It is related to perimeter and area. Firstly, perimeter. In this whole chapter we will discuss about perimeter and area of different shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Circle is also there. So what is perimeter? It is the length of the boundary of a closed figure, is called perimeter of that figure, or simply we can say that the sum of all sides. There is given a square having all sides are equal. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, that is s plus s plus s plus s, that is 4 into side. And the units are there, simple unit, that is centimeter, meter or kilometer. Now in case of rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Again perimeter is their sum of all side. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. When we will take 2 common, so it is 2 into L plus B units. Now next one is their area. It is the surface enclosed by a closed figure. For example, in case of square, it is side into side, or simply we can say that side square, square units. Units are in square. Similarly, in case of rectangle, the length into breadth is the area of rectangle. So there are some conversions are there. When 1 meter square, how many centimeter square? So it is 10,000 centimeter square. 1 meter square in decimeter square, it is 100 decimeter square. 1 decimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. 1 hectare is there 10,000 meter square. Then the first question of this first worksheet. It is there a rectangular garden 30 meter long and 25 meter wide, and a path 2.5 meter running all around inside it. This is a rectangular garden ABCD, having length is there 30 meter and breadth is there 2.5, so 25 meter, and width of path which is inside it, that is 2.5 meter from all side. Now in this case we have to find the area of this path. So in this case what we have to do, we have to find the area of this outer rectangle and then inner rectangle and subtract these, so we will get the area of this path. But in this case the length and the breadth of outer rectangle is given, but not the inner rectangle. So in case of inner rectangle, what will be the length? So it is 30 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, that is equal to 25 meter. Similarly, breadth is there 25 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, so it becomes 20 meter. It becomes 20 meter. The width of path is there 2.5 meter. Therefore, length of rectangle ABCD, that is 30 meter, and breadth is equal to 25 meter. Therefore, area of this rectangular garden, it is length into breadth, that is 30 into 25, which is equal to 750 meter square. Now, the length of internal rectangle PQRS, that is 30 minus 2.5 minus 2.5. This is the width. So when we subtract this, so we get 25 meter. Similarly, breadth is equal to 25 minus 5, that is 20 meter. Now the area of this inner rectangular garden, that is equal to length into breadth 25 into 20, that is equal to 50 meter square. Therefore, area of path is equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle PQRS, which is equal to 750 minus 500, and it is equal to 250 meter square. So it is the area of this rectangular path 250 meter. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is there. The path 1 meter is built inside a square park. There is given square park of side 30 meter along its sides. Find the area of the path. Also calculate the cost of constructing the path at the rate of rupees 70 per meter square. there is given a square park is there, having each side is there 30 meter. So in this case we have to find the outer area, that is ABCD minus PQRS, then we will get the area of this path. After this we have to find the cost of constructing it. The cost of constructing means we multiply the area of path by 70. So in this case, firstly each side of square park is there 30 meter. So therefore area of this square park ABCD, that is 30 into 30, 900 meter square. Similarly, the each side of internal square park PQRS, that is 30 minus 1 minus 1, width from both side 1 meter 1 meter. We will subtract, so we will get the length PQ is equal to 30 minus 2, that is 28 meter. Therefore each side of this internal square park, that is PQRS, it is 28 meter, and its square is there, area of this square is equal to 784 meter square. Now the area of path becomes area of ABCD minus area of PQRS, that is equal to 116 meter square. Now cost of constructing 1 meter square area of path is equal to rupees 70. The total area of path is there 116. So therefore what is the cost of total area of path constructing? So it is 70 into 116, that is 8,120 rupees. So this is the total cost. The next question number 3 is there. A table cover 5 meter long and 3 meter wide is spread on a meeting table. If 25 centimeter of the table cover is hanging all around the table, find the area of the tabletop. Here the rectangular table cover is given. It is ABCD and the tabletop is there PQRS. This extra cover is hanging all around the table, having width is there 25 centimeter, but the dimensions are given in meters, that is 5 meter and 3 meter. So we will change it into meter. So we will divide it by 100. So 25 upon 100 it is in meter, so it is equal to 0.25 meter. Therefore the width of this cloth or table cover which is hanging all around the table, that is 0.25 meter. Now length of rectangular cover ABCD, that is 5 meter and width is there 3 meter. Therefore area is equal to 15 meter square. But in this case it is asked what is the area of this tabletop. Therefore length of this tabletop is there PQRS, that is 5 minus 0.25 minus 0.25, that is the width from both sides, and it is equal to 0.50, which is equal to 5 minus 0.50, that is 4.50 meter. Similarly width of this rectangular tabletop is equal to PQRS, that is equal to 3 minus 0.25 minus 0.25, that is equal to 3 minus 0.25 50, and it is equal to 2.5 meter. Therefore area of this PQRS, it is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 11.25 meter square. So in this way we have to find the area of this tabletop only, that is 11.25 meter square. Now question number 4 is there. A garden is 120 meter long, 85 meter wide. It has an inside path of 3.5 meter all around the remaining part of the garden is covered by grass. In this question path is there which is inside of it, and the remaining part, that is PQRS, we have to cover it by grass. Find the cost of covering the garden by grass at 50 paise per square meter. So in this case we have to find the cost of planting the grass. So firstly in this case we have to find the area of this PQRS. So what is the width of this PQ? It is 120 minus 3.5 minus 3.5, that is equal to 113. Similarly, width becomes 85 minus 3.5 minus 3.5, that is 78 meter. It is 78 meter. Therefore, area of this garden, PQRS, it is length into breadth, which is 113 into 78, and it is equal to 8814 meter square. The cost of planting the grass 1 meter square area, that is 50 paise, means rupees half. 50 paise means 1 upon 2. 50 upon 100, that is 1 upon 2 rupees. Therefore, cost of planting the grass in the total area of garden, that is 8814 meter square, is equal to rupees 1 upon 2 into 8814, that is equal to, after cutting by 2, we will get 4407 rupees. So it is the total cost of constructing the grass or planting the grass. Next, question number 5 is simple, you have to do by self. Now question number 6. In question number 6, there is given a rectangular lawn measuring 50 meter and 36 meter, that is the length and breadth, is surrounded externally. In this case, the path is given, that is all around it, but it is externally. So having width is there 2 meter wide. Find the area of path. Also calculate the cost of leveling of the path at rupees 16 per meter square. So in this case, we have given a rectangular lawn ABC, this one. Having length is there 50 meter, breadth is there 36 meter. A path is all around it, which is externally outside it. Having width is there 2 meter from all these sides. So that what is the length of this outer rectangle becomes, it is 50 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 from this side and 2 from this side, so it becomes 54. Similarly, width becomes 40 meter. So we have to find the area of this path and then cost of leveling it. So what is the area of this path? So firstly, width of the path, that is 2 meter. Length of rectangle ABCD inside rectangle, that is 50 meter, and breadth is there 36 meter. Area becomes 1800 meter square, that is length into breadth. Similarly, the rectangle PQRS, outer rectangle, having length becomes 54 meter and breadth becomes 40 meter. Therefore, area becomes length into breadth, which is equal to 2160 meter square. Now area of path, area of outer rectangle minus inner rectangle, that is 360 meter square. Now cost of leveling 1 meter square area of path is equal to rupees 16. Therefore, cost of total area of leveling, that is 360 meter square, and it is equal to, after multiplication we get rupees 5760. It is the total cost of leveling the path. The question number 7 is same and simple as question number 6. Question number 8 we are doing. Each side of square flower bed is 3.3 meter and 80 centimeter long. Each side is given. It is extended by digging a strip 50 centimeter wide all around it. Find the area of enlarged flower bed and also increase in the area of flower bed. So there is given a square flower bed. Having each side is there. This is the square flower bed ABCD. Having each side is there 3 meter and 80 centimeter, which is 3.80 meter. This side is also, all these sides are square, same. And the width of this strip is given 50 centimeter. When we change it into meter, so it is 0.5 meter as it is. The width of strip is there 0.5 meter. Now each side of square flower bed is 3.80 meter. Therefore, area becomes the product of this, that is 14.44 meter square. Now we have to find the area of enlarged bed, that is PQRS. So what is the each side of this? So a side becomes 3.80 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 0.5 0.5 1, so it is 4.80 meter. Each side of this rectangle PQRS, that is equal to 4.8 meter. Now area of this area of square flower bed PQRS becomes side into side, that is 23.04. 4.80 into 4.80, 23.4004 meter square. Area of enlarged flower bed, that is 23.04 meter square. Therefore increased area of this, that is area of PQRS outer square minus inner square, and it is equal to 8.60 meter square. This is the first worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.